Hello everyone, this is Tina. In this video, we are going to learn a small thing about how to change the page title. So what happened is I'm going back to our original demo, which is when I click home and click about, if I have something else, we'll see no match, right? The problem is here, when I go home, here the title still is React, and about still is also React. How can I change the title for that? If I want to, here is the home, I want to say home. Here about, I want to say about, right? So we can use what? To change title of web page based on route in React, using React router, we can use effect with a document title to change it. So let me show you how to do it. Suppose go to our home page, then we can do is here. Have use effect, okay, and which is on initial rendering, then depends on anything, and I will have a document dot title. Title is what? Title is React router project, and just have home, okay, to be simple, okay, home, okay, like this way, and we will do something for the about. In the about here, import from React, import use effect from React, okay, and here is about, okay. Now if no match, we can also have a import use effect from React. Here is no match. 404 page not found, like this way, okay. Then let's take a look at our page. So it's already changed. See here, about is about, home is a home, and if I go to something else, we will see 404 page not found, okay. That is very simple, okay. To do it, use effect with a document title. And we can also do more refactoring, because here for home I have use effect, for about I have use effect, for no match I have use effect. The only change is a title, all other parts are same. Then we can do refactor. We can do is have a title .tsx, okay. Here I will have a RFC, which is a title. Here you have to give me a title when you call this component, and the title is a string, okay, string. And here we are going to do is the place we are doing this part, and we are going to put inside the title here, okay. Then here import use effect, okay, and here it's going to be passed. This use effect is going to be decided by this title, and it's going to be the value of this one too also, okay, title. Because once it's changed, this part should be also invoked, which means document title will be changed, okay, and returns something, return none. This one don't have anything return for JSX. And then what should we do? Then we can use this title for inside home, about, and no match. How to use it? For this part, remove it, and here we will have we can have like this part, and copy this part inside our void element. Then I'm going to have a title. Title, I will give a title. Title is what? Home. That's what I want. Which is this title is going to become this value, and we can do exactly same thing as our about, okay. Comment this part, and here title, and also copy this about here, and for this title we'll import title, okay, from here, and we'll do exact thing for no match. Comment this one, and for this part copy from here, and here we'll give a title, and it has a props title. Title is what? 404 page not found, like this one. That's it. And now let's try one more time. Okay, all the use effect in each component are already being removed. And now here you are still home, about is about. Yeah, about. Did I have about? Oh, I forgot to change it here to be about. Okay. Make sure you change, otherwise it doesn't change. Okay, I see here about, home, about, and no match. Yes, 4. Okay, this is the way, not the only way. Okay, this is a way to change the title if you want to use useEffect with document.title, and you can also have a like a centralized location, customized function component, which only do for the title, so you don't need to add useEffect in every component. That's another one you can do, is using use location or something. Okay, if you're interested, you can take a look at by yourself. It's a shorter video. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.